Zebra GX420t review. Why this retired label printer is still destroying the competition. Ever spend hours fighting with a label printer that jams, misaligns, or just decides to give up mid-job? You're trying to move fast, hit deadlines, fulfill orders, but your gear's holding you hostage. The labels don't stick, the print fades, and your whole workflow spirals into chaos. One misprint turns into 10, and suddenly, you're reloading paper, Googling fixes, and wasting precious time. It's draining. You're not just stuck, you're drowning in inefficiency. You're not lazy or disorganized. You're just working with tools that weren't built to keep up. Now toss in shipping deadlines, grumpy customers, and an inbox full of "where's my order" messages. Your team's frustrated, your schedule's a warzone, and your stress levels? Through the roof. That creeping feeling that you're falling behind? It's real. Lost hours become lost dollars. Every delay chips away at your confidence and your reputation. You start second-guessing everything. Is it the media? The settings? The software? Spoiler. It's your printer. You didn't sign up for this chaos. You need something that works. Always. Every time. With zero drama. Say hello to the Zebra GX420t, your one-stop solution to printing nightmares. This compact beast brings dual-mode thermal printing, Transfer Plus Direct, USB, serial, and Ethernet connectivity, and ZPL/EPL compatibility that plays nicely with nearly any enterprise setup. It prints up to 6 inches per second, rocks a crisp 203 dpi resolution, and handles media rolls up to 4.25 inch wide, all while sipping energy. Yep, it's Energy Star certified. Toolless printhead swaps? Check. Auto media calibration? Yup. Print name tags, shipping labels, barcodes, folder tabs, you name it. And did we mention it's lightweight, super durable, and still crushing it, even after being officially discontinued? One word. Legendary. Users call it a feature-rich, compact powerhouse and swear by its fast, accurate, no-fuss performance. One logistics pro said, "Way better than our Okidata's, shipping people are thrilled." Another review? Works perfectly with UPS. Set it and forget it. It's not just hype. The GX420t streamlines your workflow, keeps you laser-focused, and gives you the freedom to print fast, flawless labels, day in, day out. Whether you're running an e-com shop, warehouse, clinic, or office, this printer delivers bulletproof reliability with low downtime and ultra-clear output. Add in Zebra's reputation and it's no wonder this retired model still dominates refurb markets. Curious? Tap in. Discover how thousands of users are still choosing this over newer options. Why? Because it just works and never quits. Don't wait, Zebra GX420t stock is limited, especially with refurbished models flying off the shelves. Whether you're upgrading your setup or grabbing a backup, this printer delivers pro-level performance at a steal. Ready to ditch the tech headaches and win back your workflow? Buy now, secure yours today, and join thousands who've already boosted their print game. This isn't just a printer, it's your new MVP. Don't risk delays or downtime. Seize this chance, power up your label game, and print like a boss. You're one click away from peace of mind.